Machiegni nyakora mangojwang kamoro maintiri aruke chenro mar kagi kacha. Machiegni nyinga en James Opondo. Ji abirio moting'o chwo auchiel kod 100 pi ne oyuoro e aora ma Muoni otieno manyoro e gwenge ma Makueni. Nyaka sani ringre ng'ato achiel noyudi ka pi oyuero kuom kilomita mathoth ka chenro mag manyo ringre joma odong' pod dhi nyime. Jodak ma gwengego kwayo piny owacho mondo los olalo mabiro konyogi kalo aorano mapong' kinde koth mapek.
Kuna shida kubwa sana, watu wetu wamezombwa usiku wa jana. Wameenda watu kama 7, tuna kilio sana kama wamama. Sababu wamama ndo wameenda 7. Tunauliza serikali iko wapi? Mtu huwezi pitwa, watu wako ngambo ingine ya mto, hawezi fanya biashara, watu hata hawezi vuka waende wakatafute chakula. Kila mtu amekaa makwao, wanatafuta wenzao ambao walipelekwa na maji usiku. Sasa tunashindwa, serikali wapi?
Hapa mahali ukiangalia pande ile kuna wagonjwa wako pale, hawezi kuvuka ngambo hii. Ni kwa sababu ya hii daraja. Hii daraja ni hatari sana kwa watu wetu. Watu walikuwa wanatoka sherehe, walikuwa wanaenda nyumbani. Saa hii hao watu hatuna, wanalia. Watu hao wako hapa wanalia. Watu hao wanahangaika. So serikali tunauliza, sasa sisi ni Wakenya. Mkiangalia hii maji vile iko, mkiangalia mahali vile watu wamesimama kule, kazi zimesimama, kila kitu imesimama. Sasa tunatafuta watu. Mungekuwa mmejenga hii daraja, hao watu hawangebebwa.
Kaunti ma Tana River medo peka kalure kod El Nino makoro oyuero thoth gwenge makono. Gavana ma kaunti no Dada Godano wacho ni atamalo maduong' mar kaunti no sani nie bwo pi koting'o apeini makoth oketho omiyo giyudo pek yudo chiemb kony michwalo negi. Wacho ni apaya maduong' mag bombe mag Hola, Bura, Ijara kod Garissa sani okethore ma ok kalre ma omiyo johala gi jodak pek miyo johala gi jodak kono pek mag wuotho ka gimanyo kaka ginyalo konyore e kaunti no.
We are actually getting overwhelmed 2 weeks after the rains began because now almost the whole of Tana is affected. We have a very big population, of course, displaced, so we have so many IDP camps all over. What we are happy a bit that now we received money today. Actually, disbursement has been done today. Around the 10 billion money the government is talking about. What we have gotten as a county is 557 million, which we have to use in the different vote heads, including emergency pay the DRM contractors and the rest of them. What we are now paying for emergency is 32 million. That's what we have in the system. Even if we say we are expanding it, then it means the more we expand, we are exhausting. We cannot be able to react to anything after we exhaust. So probably now up to early December or up to December, we can be able to react to this situation.
Barabara zote kuingia Tana River kwa jumla zote saizi havifiki. Mlisikia vile zungumzo kwamba barabara imekatika, na hofu zaidi ambayo tuko nayo saizi ni kuhusu vyakula kuingia.
Na pia we are appealing to the national government na well wishers waje hapa tuungane mikono tuweze kusaidia wale watu ambao wako huko ambao wameathirika na mafuriko.
Jatend piny William Ruto wacho ni nyaka ng'i yore mabudho mag kedo kod lokruok mar kor lwasi. Okengegi omedo ni ibiro kete tim kod riwruog pinje EAC e sama gidhi e romo mar COP28 matimore Dubai bang'e dweni mag yango e romo mar lokruok kod lwasi matimore boma ma Arusha e piny mar Tanzania. Ruto omedo ni pinje Afrika biro nyiso mwandu magin godo ma nyaka riti kalure kod lokruok mar kor lwasi. Mwandugi owacho ni biro konyo piny ngima e chiwo thuolo mag lero lwasi mag pinje gi mag East Africa.
To be able to manage the balance between what you are spending on climate change and what you are spending on social service, it is necessary for us to work on climate financing. How do we reform the international financial architecture that was fashioned before the advent of climate change. If you are going to use the same instruments that we have used, the same financial instruments that we have used, designed for a different purpose at a different time, we will not be able to manage the competing financial requirements of our budgets. We will be going to COP28 with what we are calling Africa Green Industrialization Initiative, where we want to leverage on global resources to be able to industrialize our continent using the minerals we have.
County ma Mombasa olando chenro mar chwalo kony mar jopuonj michiwo kod apis governor ne jopuonjre ma otimo maber to onge kod nyalo kowuoyo skul primary ma Hadija. Governor osingo ne jonyuol kod jopuonj ni chenro no biro chakore kod jopuonjre motieko penj mar KCPE. Omedo ni kopogore kod basari no bende gidhi chiwo scholarship matayo jopuonjre go e higni 4 mag skund sekondari.
They've already done.
We're now going to make arrangements from this slot. Na itatangazwa watoto watakuwa ni wangapi, but we're going to start a scholarship program. Tutasomesha watoto wetu kuanzia form 1 hadi form 4. Mzazi kazi yako ni kuhakikisha tu ya kuwa mtoto ameenda shule, na tutafanya hiyo mpango wa hiyo scholarship program. We will begin with this lot ambao wamemaliza standard 8 hii mwaka. So wakiingia hii form 1, they'll be getting their letters from the county government very soon, where they will now be offered full scholarship. Najua kuna mashirika mengine, so wale watakuwa wamepata na nyingine, wale ambao hawajapata ndo watapatiwa na county.
Katobedo ni toto jopuonjre mag skul 8 bedo kod songa mar ng'ol kod ginyalo timo maber penj mane olandi mar KCPE. Jopuonjre motelo e skul no ma e county ma Machakos na 409 ka 3 oyudo mark 305 malo. Jopuonjre motelo skund no Lewis Nzioka wacho ni lek mare en donjo skund sekondar ma Mangu ka en gi lek mar somo weche lony manyasani.
I want to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all my parents, to all who contributed to my success. I want to go to Mangu High School.
I got 394 marks. I really feel good of getting that. And also I thank my teachers for supporting me very much. I thank also my parents for giving me a lot of support. My relatives, they really believed in me, and that is what made me to score such high marks.
My learners did very well. They are disciplined. I'm very happy. I'm one of the happiest teacher in the country because my learners did very well. They didn't disappoint me.
Despite the fact that there were many candidates with the special needs, still the school was able to perform because of the commitment of the teachers and the parents. So cooperation is the key thing in performance.
Fuada Abdullahi jopuonjre e sikund Kanopi ema otelo penje county ma Turkana to kido max 419. Jonyuol jopuonjre kod jopuonje ni wuok oko mar pako duoko maber mane giyudo. Fauda wacho ni en gi geno ni idhi luonge sikund sekondar ma Kapsabet ma oseleko dhie ka gombo bedo laktar e kinde mabiro.
My name is Abdullahi Abdikadir and I managed to go to 419.
At first, when I was at home, some people came and said that I had gotten 411. And in future, I'd like to be a neurosurgeon. But I will pursue that career after I go to Kapsabet Boys, which is, of course, maybe if God is willing, I can go.
As you have seen him, he's a very humble and disciplined boy, very humble. Even you could have stayed in the school the whole day, but you never noticed him. Yeah, because he was ever in his books.
Gwenge mar konyo mine mapek ahinya dwoko chien mine makonyore e udi mosekalo e thoe modhuro ka nonro nyiso ni 95% mag mine konyore e ute thieth ka 75% kuomgi dhi e klinik e kinde mag pek.
Emergency. If there is an emergency situation, and you know an emergency situation is a situation which can lead to a complication in the mother or a complication in a baby, they can very easily be ferried or transported from where they are, whether they are at their homes or the lower level of referral, either dispensary, health center, or a level 4, to another area of referral where they can be taken care of.
Kwa hiyo mazungumzo tunataka kusaidia wamama wote wale wajawazito wakipatwa na kitu ile wanaona si ya kawaida. For example, vaginal bleeding ama uchungu isiyo ya pengine ya uzazi ama isiyo ya kawaida, wanaweza piga simu na wapate usaidizi mara moja. Kuna watapiga simu na watasaidiwa na our nurses, wale watawatumia gari, tunawaita community emergency drivers, ama ambulances zetu kuwafikisha kwa kliniki ama kurecommend mahali wanaweza pelekwa ndio wasaidike.
Machigni e weche mag tuke. Seneta ma Nairobi Edwin Sifuna notelo nyasi mar chako yanga gero lapa ma sikund sekondar ma Olympic mayudre kar chung od bura ma Kibra Bure Nairobi. Yedo mar labno biro bedo manyasa ne ka ibiro tiyo kode gi nyithind sikund Olympic mar 5,500 ka achiel gi jodak ma Kibra. Labno magido mare osemana chakore geno ni korumo to biro bago tuke ma otieno kuonde ma johera mag adhula biro bedi ka achiel gi dukni ma ibiro mi jo ohala. Sifuna ne oten gi jaod bura ma Kibra Peter Orero ka achiel gi MCA Lawrence Ogambo.
Games pia zitakuwa zikichezwa hapo. Hiyo si kitu ya maana sana. Hii pitch itakuwa international. That kukiwa na hata international games watu wanakuja Kibra. Ni vizuri watu wajue there is another story about Kibra. That Kibra si kila saa watu wakitaka kuonyesha pali kuna shida, pali kuna the biggest slum ni picha ya Kibra.
Matao umesema tutaweka around the field, we'll surround this field with the fence, and we ask those who live and stay around here that let us make sure that this field serves the community, serves the school, and serves everybody else.
Kuna viwanja mingi ambazo ziko open Nairobi, na vile mwambiwa talent hapa iko nyingi sana. If you can help us kwa hizi 17 constituencies zetu, unipatie pia AstroTurf pale Kihumbuini, pale Westlands, ndashukuru sana. Githurai 44 kuna kiwanja ambaye hata watu walikuwa wanataka kunyakua, kama unaweza wekea wao fence na tuweke AstroTurf, ndashukuru sana. Nilikuwa nafikiria hiki kitu naweza fanya mimi mwenyewe, lakini nimeambiwa bei hapa 66 million, nikaogopa kwanza.
Speaker Marod Bura Mamalo Moses Wetangula gi nyawadgi ma Senator Amason Kingi biro pedo moko kuom welo modhi e finals mag tuke che Sang Super Cup biro bagi odiochieng' makiny alap ma Kitale Polytechnic County ma Trans Nzoia. Tugo mana chakore tarik 9 dwe mar 10 noyo jotugo maromo 9,000 gi timbe 450 moko e county ma Trans Nzoia ka mich en shillings million 2.5. Odiochieng' makiny bende tuke moko kaka golf, pool ka achiel gi netball ibiro tugi. Tukegi ne itiyogo mar kelo riwruok mag oganda e county no ka achiel gi chiwo thuolo ne rawere nyiso mich margi e weche mag tuke.
So the purpose for this tournament, of course, is to keep our youths busy, unite our youths, because tumeona shida katika kaunti zingine mbalimbali, shida ya vita. This being a cosmopolitan county, we decided to use this kind of initiative like games. We have other competitions like marathon, which is upcoming soon. We have a pool tournament, which is coming soon. A volleyball tournament, which is coming soon. And other engagements, putting the youth together, doing many other activities.
Ya kwa mgojo kanyo mwacho pegiko mag weche manyien chenro mar kagi kacha gonelo kuma ko mbere kona nyakane wachaki kendo korwa chimuki tukamaga sekafa chakora ngai county makis team Kenya Juniors team brotugo kod team mar Sudan kikbai bende tuke mag group B brotuge lap ma Buhungu Stadium tuke ge brodhi nyime nyaka tariko 9 dwe manyien magi duto obrokelo ne kochopo saa 1 kod saa 3 nyakwa mogo jwang bende tuke mag Kenya Cup brochakre juma manyien nyakwa mogo jwang mano ki iwachona gi jahera mag tuke gi maja era mar Kabras Longolele Sisimani manaja era mag tuke mag rugby kendo director Amara nyakora mko jwang bed kono diche makare sa achiel gi sade kickby nikech obro kelo ni weche manyien moyude pacho ka koda pinje maoko.
Jipange na View sasa iko hapa sasa. Jishindie maelfu ya pesa kila siku kwa kutazama content kupitia View sasa kwa shilingi 50 pekee. Kuna mshindi wa shilingi 1,100 kila siku, 1,500 kila wiki na mshindi wa grand prize ya shilingi milioni 3 cash money. Kushiriki piga *487*3#. Chagua Jipange na View sasa. Kisha chagua video package ujipatie points na uongeze uwezekano wako wa kushinda mamilioni. Hakuna kudownload au kusubscribe. Unaenda tu nywe. Jipange ushinde mamilioni na View sasa. Mamilioni.
Sheria na masharti kutumika. Imeidhinishwa na BCLB number 2978.
Higni ariyo nyaka ne wabie yamo. Joneno magwa osebedo jokorwa ahinya. Kaka yorwa mar goyo erokamano e kindegi duto, warwaki e chenro mar thieth maonge chudo. Free medical camp. Tarik 1 dwe mar 12 e kar thieth ma Sena level 4 e chula Mfangano, Homa Bay County. Wan gi lakteche kod jolony thieth mabiro pimo kendo thiedho tuoche ma opogore ka ochakore saa 1 okinyi. Nikech pile wawacho ni ngima en mwandu. Warwako uduto.
We know times are tough, so save money by buying airtime from M-Pesa to any network with 0 transaction fees. Dial *487*2# and get your airtime PAP with 0 transaction costs.